One accident can cost thousands, but the right dash cam can protect you instantly. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dash cam is the best overall for your vehicle. We're comparing video quality, night vision performance, parking protection, connectivity, and overall reliability because when it comes to road safety, details matter. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. OMBAR T1 4K. The OMBAR T1 is a triple-channel 4K dashcam featuring STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, recording in 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p for front, rear, and interior coverage. It includes a free 128GB card, supports up to 512GB storage, offers 5G Wi-Fi, HDR night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. Review highlights: this is a strong option for rideshare drivers or families who want full cabin coverage. The full-color HDR night vision enhances low-light clarity significantly. Pros: 3-channel full coverage, STARVIS 2 sensor for improved night clarity, free 128GB card included, 5G Wi-Fi fast download speeds, supports large 512GB storage. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K. The ROVE R2 4K Dual records in 4K front and Full HD rear, powered by a STARVIS 2 sensor. It includes a free 128GB card, 5G Wi-Fi with fast download speeds, a 3-inch IPS screen, built-in GPS, and 24-hour parking mode. Review highlights: ROVE is well known in the U.S. market for reliability and ease of use. The app connectivity is smooth, and video quality is sharp in both daytime and night conditions. Pros: 4K front recording, STARVIS 2 low light performance, free 128GB memory card, fast 5G Wi-Fi app transfer, user-friendly interface. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K. The VIOFO A229 Pro is built for premium performance. It features dual STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, and records in 4K plus 2K HDR. It includes voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and advanced night vision 2.0 technology. Review highlights: this dashcam is widely respected for professional-level image clarity. The HDR processing helps balance exposure in challenging lighting, like headlights and dark highways. Pros: dual STARVIS 2 sensors, 4K plus 2K HDR recording, voice control support, excellent night visibility, reliable 24-hour parking mode. Number 2. REDTIGER F17 4K. The REDTIGER F17 offers triple-channel recording at 2160p plus 1080p plus 1080p for front, rear, and cabin. It includes a 64GB card, built-in GPS, IR night vision for interior recording, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and WDR technology. Review highlights: this dashcam is ideal for Uber, Lyft, and rideshare drivers. The infrared cabin night vision ensures clear recording even in total darkness. Pros: triple camera system, infrared cabin night vision, built-in GPS tracking, included 64GB card, strong value for 3-channel setup. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800. Taking the top spot is the 70mm 4K T800 featuring 2160p plus 2160p plus 1080p triple recording powered by the STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. It includes Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE connectivity, ADAS driver assistance, and 24-hour parking mode, plus a massive 512GB card included. Review highlights: This dashcam delivers flagship-level performance. The dual 4K front and rear recording provides exceptional detail, while 4G LTE enables remote access and live monitoring, a major advantage for modern drivers. Pros: dual 4K front and rear resolution, STARVIS 2 premium sensor, Wi-Fi 6 plus 4G LTE connectivity, ADAS safety features, 512GB storage included, advanced parking surveillance. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best dashcam overall. After comparing resolution, night vision performance, connectivity, storage capacity, and advanced features, the 70mm 4K T800 stands out as the best dashcam of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links below for the latest deals. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.